Welcome back to the channels. Vlogs are back. It's 2022. If you're new to the channel, hit that sub button. And if you haven't hit that sub button, help a brother out, please. We're almost at 40K, so get us over. Push us there. But anyways, we're rolling team trials this week, usually the first week of the year. 2 years since we bowled this tournament. Last time, not quite successful. So hopefully a little bit better this week. Good ballers are coming out for trials this year. Jake, Kyle, Brian. This is Uncle Steve's bag. Let's go. Well, he's got to ship balls to my house, so there's that. So team trials, we got 5 days this week, and we bowl 6 games a day. It's a point system. You want as few amount of points as possible. So if you have 5 points at the end, you basically won every day. My expectations are close to 0. I'm just gonna show up and bowl, see what happens. And like I said, last year, I bowled, wasn't so good. My last 3 finishes were actually not bad, 4th, 5th, and 12th. 12th wasn't good enough to make the team. That's okay, maybe this year. Who's this guy? New year, new Nick. Actually.
I got muscles now.
Wow.
I'm jacked, I got abs.
Can I see? Life is good.
Life is good.
All right, so we had 2 hours of practice, 5 different patterns. I just finished. There's no shots of me because I kind of forgot about the camera. It's been a while since I vlogged. But I'll walk you guys through it, find you some good players to look at on each pattern, and give you my thoughts after. Day 1's 38 feet. Day 1. Oil's pretty thin, so balls are flying down the lane pretty far. I think we're gonna have to stay straight. Thinking a lot of urethane balls are going down the lane. We got Michael Davidson here. What do you think about day 1? What's your plan of attack for tomorrow?
Tomorrow, probably gonna throw urethane just like you were saying. And then, you know, as the day goes, just move in and open the angles up and come around it.
All right.
Try and strike as much as I can, obviously.
I'm kind of hoping I don't have to do that, but he's really good at that. So if he's doing it and he's striking, I might contemplate. Anyways, yeah. Not a lot of people bowling on the day 2 pattern anymore, which I think is going to be the hardest one. So it's kind of odd, but see if we can find some bowlers. Day 2 is potentially one of the harder ones. Same oil, well actually I don't know, no. The thin oil, I think we got the thicker oil for day 2, but the thin oil is reverse. They're using a mixture of both oils throughout each day. They're switching it up, so that's gonna make it tricky because the topography, number 1 thing. The number 2 thing in my opinion is the oils. So that's what's really gonna make the difference day to day. So day 2, probably gonna be pretty tricky. We got day 3 with our guy, Ryan Burton.
Gone.
How's it going for you?
Not too bad, dude. 360 purple, I've literally thrown it on every pattern.
Don't tell me that, I know, you're left-handed, we're on Gold Coast. Yo. If you're watching this and you're bowling the tournament, you've seen the graphs, this bowling alley is literally slanted to the right. So,
like all of Vegas.
Yeah, no, not all of Vegas. No, it's kind of even at South Point. I'll just leave it at that. Day 3, we're using the thicker oil only, I think. And I thought day 2 and 3 would be kind of similar in terms of how much they hooked, but day 3 just straight up hooked. So I'm gonna be throwing weaker balls for sure. High road pearls, hustling down the stretch for sure. Day 4 is interesting because the shape of the pattern at the end is like an hourglass, so it's like a speed bump. So if you get your ball going too steep, to the right, at the wrong angles, basically, your ball's gonna speed up. That's not what we want. We got a butter sighting. How was your practice, bud?
Really good.
Yeah?
To everyone's shock, I didn't throw a purple hammer as much as people thought I would.
Really? Well, you just own this bowling center, so.
Oh man.
We'll look to see you at the top of the leaderboard most of the time.
Yeah. Well, I got a lot of competition this week, so if I'm up there, I'll be very happy. So.
All right. Well, hopefully I'm right there with you.
I believe it.
But yeah, day 4 pattern, tight. We're gonna be using quite a bit of surface probably. That's a thin oil day again, so we're gonna need our balls to pick up soon. And let's check out day 5. Johnson.
What up, D-Tang?
Give us your rundown on the day 5 pattern. What do you think?
Day 5.
This is day 5, right?
Yeah, yeah. At least that's what it tells me.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah. Well, there's gonna be a lot of urethane.
Yeah?
Yeah, but then I think that's gonna be the play on every day except for one.
Why do you think that?
Because that's all I've seen on the racks.
Okay, that's a good assessment.
I don't know, man. It's gonna be, I think, to start, they'll be a little tricky, and then once it kind of drags out a little bit, you can get away from the gutter and kind of throw it at it. And as long as you can get a ball to get through the urethane traffic, I think they'll be all right.
Simple, I like it.
Simple.
All right, let's do it. All right, that's it. We got 5 patterns. Like always, we're just gonna try to play the game and not worry about anything else. And I think if we do that, things will turn out pretty good. If we don't do that, yeah, we're not gonna think about that. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. All right, let's check out the pattern. Have to attend a meeting that we have to attend every single year. And they say the same thing, and they teach us all the things that we already know. Usually nothing new, but maybe this year will be a surprise.
All right, so that was a fun meeting, I guess. I'm back home. Let's go over some of the balls, I guess. Yeah, there's a couple that I want to bring. Tomorrow feels like a urethane day, but of course we want to be prepared. I'm gonna bring one more pitch black, one that's a little bit stronger than the one I currently have. I could see myself throwing the UC3 for the rest of the remainder of the block. Not gonna be too concerned there, but the rest of the week, I think Altered Reality will make an appearance. We have the topography map, so that's nice. It'll come in handy. We can scout which lanes are gonna hook more or less when we go to them. So I'm pretty happy we have those. That's all I got for you guys today. I'm not really doing much. We had practice. I think if we just keep our head on straight, pick up our spares, and just keep things in play, good things will happen. Thanks for watching. This was the 100th vlog on this channel ever. Please hit the subscribe button, like the video, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what vlogs were your favorite, and let me know what your thoughts are on team trials and who you want to see make the team. I'll see you tomorrow for qualifying.